Hello everyone, so today we're talking about energy efficiency. Now, everyone should have an idea of what it means to be efficient. And I would sort of say that it means being as productive as possible without wasting any time or effort. When it comes to talking about electrical efficiency or energy efficiency, we think of it as sort of the same thing. Now, if we think of a light bulb, we have two different light bulbs here. This appears to be an incandescent light bulb, and this appears to be an LED. So when we turn the lights on, we get energy in two different forms. So we get heat energy and light energy. Now, obviously, the purpose of a light bulb is to produce light, which means any energy going towards heat is considered to be waste, or wasted energy. So an incandescent light bulb has 5%, only 5% of energy going towards light, whereas 95% is going towards heat. And this is maybe a rough estimate. Whereas an LED has a higher percentage of light compared to heat energy. So that's why we say that an LED light bulb is more efficient, because we have a higher proportion of energy going towards its actual purpose of producing light. Now, we can calculate energy efficiency by looking at the useful energy output, so that's the energy we want to make. In this case, our light bulb case, it would be light compared to the amount of energy used by the device, and then multiplying that by 100. So let's try our practice problem over here. So an appliance uses 35 kilowatt hours of energy each month. Notice our units are kilowatt hour, which is the unit of energy. And it produces 10 kilowatt hours of useful energy. So in order to do this calculation, we're going to do percent efficiency is equal to our useful energy, which is 10 kilowatt hours, divided by our total energy, which is 35 kilowatt hours, and we're going to multiply it by 100%. So 10 divided by 35 is equal to 0.28. If we multiply it by 100, we get 28.57%. And if we round that, we will get 29% efficiency. So that's energy efficiency. Why don't you give the other practice problems a try, and good luck.